Welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to get WhatsApp on your Huawei P40 without Google services. So we have to get the second smartphone with the Google Play Store, and right here we have to download the WhatsApp. And right now you have to open the application to transfer data. In my case it will be the phone clone application, and open it on both smartphones. On the smartphone with the Google Play Store, tap on the "This is the old phone," and on your new Huawei P40 tap on the "This is the new phone." And right now we have to select the type of the phone, and it is also the Huawei, but it's not P40, this is the P30 Pro. And tap on the Huawei, and as you can see we have two ways to connect. The first one is to connect this with QR code, and also we can connect manually. But I'm going to scan QR code because this is the faster way to connect. Right now we have to wait. Right here tap on this marker to unselect all of this stuff, enter the apps and data, and right here you have to find your WhatsApp application. Mine is here, so select, tap on the OK, confirm with transfer button, and input your unlock method. And it's almost done. And here's this, and right now we can enter our WhatsApp, and it's working. So thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.